All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. The market remains under pressure as rates are continuing to climb. The 10-year is just raging higher. The more we see rates climb, the worse it is for stocks.
You can't fight the trend here. It seems like rates are going to continue higher. Again, in the short term, it does seem a little extended. Again, I have the red line drawn for resistance, the green for support. But utilities today has been probably the first name to kind of show that maybe we're not going to see new all-time highs in a lot of these sectors. They just broke major support. Just a measured move of this breakdown. This sends you perfectly back to the retest. These REITs, again, in this major base, and it's now breaking that support area. It's heading lower. This measured move pretty much takes you right back to these 2020 lows.
NVDA chart. I was looking at this as a short, testing major support right here. Market was getting pummeled. I was shorting here. I need to see this break down in order to be confident in my position. It's not breaking down. I completely cover my short and call it a day. So I actually end up getting long the name through resistance here. I'm giving it to 421. I'm giving it $4 risk, 1% risk, and $400 name. Take some off that first day, and I get a little Friday pop, and I completely sell into it. We're not going for these home runs where we're just trying to score touchdowns. We're just trying to get from 20 to 20, trying to make some yards in between.